Hey, Mom! Mom! Yes, dear? Hey, Mom, there is one thing I just gotta point out to you. Oh? That one thing is, look! See? Those are locust trees, Mom. We have locust trees. See? Oh, yeah. That's the one thing, huh, Kyle? Yeah. I've lived here my whole life, and not until taking this forestry class did I even see them. The locust trees, Mom. Well, I really am impressed, for one. How did you know they are locust trees? Oh, lots of things. I could see they don't have pointy leaves like the honey locusts do, for one. And if you look at one of the thorns, you see they are small. Also, see how the bark has deep grooves? That's one indicator. Oh, Mom, see the one stump over there? Yes. Well, it could grow into many of these trees. They are really vital. It's not only that, this tree's like number one for strength and rot resistance, and one other attribute I can tell you a story about. Okay. Well, you know the War of 1812? Not really. Well, I'd never heard of it either, but I guess it was a war that happened in 1812, and the U.S. ships, the boards were held together with nails made out of locust wood. Like, nails were made out of wood. I'll be. Yeah, but get this. When the British ships' cannonballs would hit those U.S. ships, they wouldn't break apart. But the British ships, one cannonball and kablami, those steel nails would shatter. Ha, that would have been something to see, eh, Mom? Oh, the mail's here. Oh, cool. Maybe I'll get my Junior Ranger application kit today. Oh, that would be nice. Yeah, that would be nice. Oh, another thing, Mom. Did you know that these trees sustained one John the Baptist in the wilderness, and so it's called St. John's bread? No. Well, speaking of bread, you feel like making sandwiches, Mom? Sure. Let's go.